Welcome. My name is Darius Dunaway, aka Chef D-Way. Thank you guys for joining my page where I just share my passion with just cooking. I'm gonna cook several different things, and today in particular, you'll see me cooking salmon. You'll see me doing things as far as chicken and anything else that people may make a request for me to do. If I can afford it, I can cook it. But thank you guys for joining. It's not a professional page, but more so a page where you see an average Joe like myself sharing my passion, which is cooking healthy foods. Also, while taking care of my family as well. You get a chance to see my kids. You may even hear them running around. Yeah, sometimes you see me cooking, and one of them asks me to pick them up, and so it's just a fun environment where we cook, laugh, and have a great time. So thank you guys for joining. Speaking of, there's my oldest there. Thank you guys for joining, and subscribe to the channel.